Good evening, everyone. We often look at monumental transformations in our careers, our health, or our lives and feel overwhelmed. We see the final result and think of all the hard work, the discipline, the luck, and the countless steps it must have taken. But the truth is, every single transformation, no matter how big, starts in the same place, with a single decision: the moment of choice. That decision is not always a loud, dramatic proclamation. More often, it's a quiet, internal shift. It's the moment you say to yourself, enough. It's the instant you stop making excuses and start taking responsibility. It could be the decision to finally sign up for that class, to have that difficult conversation, or to simply get out of bed a little earlier. This one decision is the spark that ignites the entire process. It's the act of commitment that sets the wheels in motion, turning an abstract hope into a concrete plan. Without that initial choice, the vision remains a daydream and the journey never begins. The power of an intentional act. Once the decision is made, it becomes the foundation upon which all subsequent actions are built. Every small step you take afterward is an intentional act that reinforces that initial choice you made. Did you decide to get healthy? Your decision gives power to your choice to go for a walk, to choose a salad over a burger, and to get a full night's sleep. Each of these small actions isn't just a separate event. It's a direct consequence and a reaffirmation of that one powerful decision you made. This is why consistency is so crucial. It's the daily practice of honoring that first choice. The ripple effect. A single decision doesn't just change your life, it can change the lives of those around you. When you decide to be a better leader, a more supportive friend, or a more present parent, that choice sends a ripple effect through your entire community. You become an example. You prove that change is possible, that growth is worth the effort, and that transformation is within reach for anyone willing to take that first step. Your decision becomes a source of inspiration for others who may be on the brink of making their own. So, don't be intimidated by the long road ahead. Don't wait for the perfect moment or a grand sign from the universe. The power to transform your life and the world around you is not some abstract force. It's a very real and very accessible power that lies in the simple, courageous act of making a single, intentional decision. What's the one decision you need to make today to start the transformation you've been waiting for?